Hi, I'm Ciaran. I am a founder here at Own Your Numbers. I just want to give you a really quick demo of our cash cushion app and just show you how quick and easy it is to calculate your cash cushion and also your risk level. So let me just jump into our app. This is what you'll see. You get a drop-down list of everything that you have connected on Xero. I'm just going to select demo company, Xero's own demo company. Let me just run this for end of June as an example, and I click run. And all this is doing is it's taking the data out of Xero. It's not writing anything, just read only. When it pulls it out of Xero, it's just going to take cash, monies owed, so accounts receivable, other debtors, and then also payables and other liabilities. This is what we get. So your cash cushion is zero. Let's just have a look. It says it has £253 in the bank. It has a negative net cash of 2,944 and has a cost base of 2,499 per month. So therefore, because it has a negative net cash and a cost base, it has no cushion. Bit of an eyebrow raise there. And what you can do is you can copy an image straight away. You could stick it into a presentation, stick it into an email. You can also take the text. I'll go through it now, but you can copy this, put it straight into an email. So as above, we've got 253 in the bank. We're owed 1,370. There's some other debtors of 527. We owe 1,456. And then there's some other liabilities. It might be taxes of 3,600. So all this information is on Xero and we're just taking it straight off. We've got some quick trends. We have a summary and we have some priorities, who you could chase for payment, review the P&L in this case, and also review a forecast just given that net critical cash position. Some simple actions, some simple follow-ups to join our community, and you can do some very simple, slick things. You could send it by email and it's gone, and you can send this report to your WhatsApp. And again, in that case, it's gone. It's going to appear in my WhatsApp in a second. I'll show you the PDF there it is. I'll show you the PDF in a sec, but we also, just because we're reading your data, we can flag a couple of FYIs if there is something not quite sure if your data is correct. For example, I'll just show you the last one. In this case, the monthly costs have moved by more than 50%. Is your cost base complete? Just a little checklist between you and your bookkeeper to check what is on Xero is correct and complete. And then the report, again, a PDF that can be quickly shared and pulled up on screen. The data it will show you that you've already seen. I'll just zoom in on the risk levels. So a business that's critical, we're saying, has a net cash below zero. It doesn't have any cushion. A business that has between 0 and 1 month of its cost base in its net cash, we'd classify as very high risk. And if I just go down to the bottom, a business that is low risk will have a cushion of 3 months or more. So its net cash is more than 3 times its monthly cost base. There's some other useful outputs in here. Some of it you will have seen in the summary above, but also we can just quickly rip it. This does not replace the P&L and balance sheet that you will be looking at with your bookkeeper or should be looking at. But it's just pulling some quick stats that we can show you. For example, the cushion for the previous months we're not able to calculate, but we're able to calculate it for June. We're just literally pulling some high-level stats out of Xero. So that's a quick overview. The more complex the business, the more complex some of the outputs might seem. We're always trying to break it down into simple bite-sized pieces. Really keen for you to have a play. As I said, it's just 2 clicks to see what you have right now in your business. Let us know how you get on. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.